Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Drake, and in this video I'm going to walk you through some of the math vocabulary you're going to need to write algebraic expressions and equations later on in the unit. So if you just take a look at this first page, if you are in the hybrid section, you should have this in your packet. If you are an all virtual student, there is a PDF of this lesson in the module, so you might want to print that out so you have the vocabulary words in front of you. So all of these words represent addition. All of these words represent subtraction. These words represent multiplication, division, equals, parentheses, and then these words mean to reverse the order. We use these for addition and subtraction. For addition, since it's commutative, the order is not as important, but we definitely need them for subtraction where it's not commutative and the order does matter. Okay, so let's take a look at our guided practice. I'll walk you through these examples and then you'll try a few on your own. So the first three, we're going to write each verbal phrase as an algebraic expression. That means no equal sign. So the first question, 6 less than 9 times s. 6 is the number 6. Less than is subtraction, but it's also a reverse word, which means we are subtracting 6. We're subtracting 6 from 9 times s. So that means we're going to start with the 9 times s, that's 9s, and then minus 6. Okay, number 2. Subtract 3 from, so that's a reverse word again. That means we're subtracting 3, so it's going to be something minus 3 from 5 times n. So that means we're starting with 5 times n, or 5n, and then we are subtracting 3. Okay, number 3. 2/3 of, so that's multiplication. I'm multiplying 2/3 times something. I'm multiplying 2/3 times the sum of k and 6. So that means k and 6 are being added together, and I'm multiplying 2/3 times that sum. So that means I'm going to need parentheses. I'm going to insert my fraction. So 2/3 times, I'll use parentheses. If I can get this to work. Sorry. There we go. K plus 6, close my parentheses, minus the product. So minus, product means to multiply, 7ng. So 7 times g, I just wrote 7g. Okay, my next section, I'm going to translate each verbal sentence into an algebraic equation. So now I will have equal signs. For number 4, 3 more than, so it's going to be something plus 3, right? Then is a reverse word. Twice a number, so it's going to be 2 times something, is 9. It's going to be 3 more than, so something plus 3. Twice a number, so that will go in front. Twice a number is going to be 2x. And then at the end is 9, so equals 9. Okay, number 5. 3 times the quantity of, so that means I'm going to have 3 times parentheses, right? The quantity of means parentheses. 2 less than x. So inside that parentheses, I'm going to have 2 less than x. Less than is subtraction. It's also a reverse word. So I'll have x minus 2 is 9. So equals 9. Okay, and number 6. 3 less than. Okay, so I'm going to have something minus 3 because less than is a reverse word. The product of 2 and x is 9. So the product of 2 and x is going to be my 2x, and then I have my minus 3 equals 9. Okay, now these 4 questions you're going to try on your own.